get confused with the terms of SEO and SMO? Well, it's quite common as both these methods of promotions are quite same. The only thing that differs is their platform. SEO, which is used to bring in rankings on search engine. SMO is used to promote your business on all major social media platforms. SMO is not only used to boost the visibility, but it also helps businesses to bring in leads from the same platform. Now the question is, do we really have to invest on SMO? Well, if you're thinking the same question, this video is just for you. It is quite an area of concern for brands that are low on budget yet want to use social media to the best of its ability. But in order to understand more, I think you have to look at some stats. You can see how social media is growing at a fast rate, and if your business is not on these networks, well, I'm sure you're going to lose something. Now that you know what SMO is all about, it's time for us to dive deep into the question which all guys came for. Do we really need to invest on SMO? Let's get started. Number 1, ensures a strong web presence. With SMO services, you can create a strong web presence over the internet. SMO not only introduces people to your brand, but it also helps in branding and improving your brand visibility. Second, increases the reach. Social media optimization helps you to present your brand to the people. The medium allows you to reach out to your customers on their own terms. With accessibility through mobile, audio and video, your customers can get to you anywhere and everywhere. Third, drives in more traffic. Social media optimization is a great way of generating traffic. Social media channels help you to reach out to your customers worldwide. Moreover, this can happen without any further investments. Fourth, lead generation. Although social media is being used to create a buzz or a brand name, nowadays it is quite extensively being used to lead generation. Tapping into social media channels can really change the game of lead generation campaigns. Fifth, with search engine optimization and search engine marketing, you can improve your rankings on multiple search engines. Since search engines have recently started using data from social media channels, SMO has gained prominence over the marketeers. The bottom line is, in order to make the most out of social media optimizations, businesses have to make the content relevant as well as shareable. So that was it. If you liked our content, then do make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to drop down a comment below. Thank you so much.